Right, sorry about that, my battery went again. Okay, and I fixed it on, so that's what it looks like, that little switch. As I was saying earlier, that bit there to push this down there. Now there's a bit missing, I'll show you. There should be a motor, I've got that bit, should be a motor there, but I've got that issue missing. I'm still waiting for that to come in. There's a few bits on there which I've got to connect. So basically this has got to screw on to there, so it looks like that, and then that round thing there will fit on top of the motor, so it looks like that. As you can see, that bracket is that, this bracket is there, as you can see. So when I've got that other missing issue, I think it's 29, I think it was, I'm missing. So that will come in, and I'll be able to fix that motor in. So it means I've got to take that bit off so I can fix this to the motor. That motor just goes there, and this bracket fits on top of the motor, and yeah, this goes on top. No, that bracket goes on top of this bracket, so that goes underneath there, so that fixes onto there. So that's what it's looking like so far. So I've got one motor there, and then this bit fixes onto that, so that will go up and down, that will go up and down, and then there's that which will go left and right. So it's all coming on, so I've got like got that as well, and there's the power supply. So now I'm getting on. It's all good, apart from that missing issue. So once all that's done, that'd be good. Every week I'm getting a bit more and more done. Let's quickly go through the magazine. So these kind of things we can print out. Anyway, so that's that. I'm not sure where that Z rod axis screw rod will go. I'm not sure, but there you go. Now, as you can see, it's got like a casing on it. That's what it will eventually look like. But I've heard that you don't have to have the casing on it for it to work. That's only like a safety protective casing. But when once I've got the basic bit without the casing, you can still use it. That's what I've heard from Retro Gamer. That's what I've heard. What he's Retro Gamer's doing this doing this with 3D Build as well. So there you go. That's it. Well, thanks for watching, and keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye.